Good day, world. Today we are going to make a very delicious cocktail. It's a Gimlet. Gimlet is a classic cocktail, and I will show you how to make it. And it's a very easy cocktail you can make at your home if you are free. And someday, if you feel okay, I want to try something different, and you cannot go to the bar, you can make a small bar in your house. So I will tell you how I will make the Gimlet. Come with me. First, we are going to take a shaker, and we need some gin for that, and we use blue ribbon because we are in India. So we take 60 ml blue ribbon. Then we take triple sec. It's a homemade triple sec. You can just make it at your home. I will put another video to tell you how to make a triple sec, and it's outstanding, really cool, my friend. You can make it home, and it's very easy to make. So we will use 30 ml of this, and after that we need some lemon juice. We will cut a fresh lemon for this because it's a Gimlet and classic, so we have to be classy. So you just take these spices, just scratch one, and 3. Now you have to stir a little bit, stirring. Then mix it properly. You have to stir just to combine all the ingredients we have. Just put it inside and blend ice. Make it more chilled because it's a summer that is going to become, and your drink should be very chill. We just put here and we do a simple cook. That's it. Okay, and I need a glass for this. I will take some ice cubes, and we are gonna strain it. Then for decoration, you can use the orange peel. So we are peeling the orange. Some dates here. The crystal. Here is your Gimlet, guys. Wow. Thank you so much. I hope you will make one.